My name is Habiba Rashid and you are watching South Asia Global. Let's have a look on headlines. Punjab Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz says she is determined to make Pakistan an ideal country for the welfare of workers. A meeting has held for the welfare of workers in which Punjab Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz presented important projects while seeking plans. Dissatisfaction with the performance of its own government in KPK was expressed at the PTI district level meeting held in Peshawar. A statement issued by the PTI at the district level meeting held a few days ago said that the PTI government is in power for the third time in the province, but Peshawar is still facing problems. JUI Chief Maulana Fazlur Rahman has said that the terrorists are targeting mosques and they are Mujahideen, but murderers are criminals. Maulana Fazlur Rahman read Darul Uloom Haqqani Akora Khatak. The government had decided to observe the International Day Against Islamophobia on March 15 as the day of protection of the honor of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The Ministry of Religious Affairs has issued a circular to observe March 15 as the day of protection of the honor of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. In view of the situation in the country, security has been put on high alert across Punjab. According to the spokesperson for the Punjab Police, intelligence-based search and sweep operation and exercises are going in Punjab. A patient died and 15 others were affected in the chest ward of Lahore Mee Hospital due to alleged reaction to a vaccine. A hospital administration says that the patient has a reaction to the ceftriaxone injection. FIA Immigration arrested 3 suspects of a gang that smuggled Pakistani girls to China in the name of marriage during an operation at Islamabad airport. The arrested suspect has been identified as Shugai Abdurrahman and Numan. The victim girls who are trafficked in the name of marriage is also in custody. 10 Pakistani origin men arrested in Barcelona, Spain on terrorism charges. The suspects are believed to be the members of an original criminal organization that issued violent orders through message groups, according to the report. Canada ruling parties have elected Mark Carney as its new leader, replacing Prime Minister Justin Trudeau in the coming days. According to the foreign media reports, the Liberal Party of the Canada elected Mark Carney as a party new leader with 85.9% of the vote. The death toll in clashes between security forces and supporters of former President Bashar al-Assad in Syria, Latika province has risen. The death toll in the clashes has exceeded 1,000, including 745 civilians and more than 270 fighters, according to the Syrian Observatory for Human Rights. India won the Champions Trophy for the third time by defeating New Zealand by 4 wickets in the final of ICC Champions Trophy 2025. And the Meteorological Department has predicted rain in various cities of the country from today. According to the Meteorological Department, the westerly wind will enter the northern parts of the country from March 9 and its westerly wind will continue in the country until 16 March. Stay tuned with South Asia Global. For more updates, you can visit our website sag.tv.